Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy F56 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in the first pop-up and allow all in the second one. When you finish, you can pick whatever you want to in all the other ones, and then select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then select your file. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and then choose Receive button to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add Allow Camera Access and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close and add. And as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!